Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how you can create an about page for the Koken content management system. Uh, for those of you who don't know, Koken is a free system designed for photographers, designers, and creatives in order to publish independent websites to promote their work. It's a nice system, and one of the things it's lacking though is a about page, and this will allow you to create one using Koken itself with very little HTML coding. So let's get right to it. When you open Koken, you come to your library page, and at the top here you've got your menu bar. We want to go to the menu bar option that is called text. So we click on text, and we come to a page here that will show us all of our, this being highlighted right now will show us all our essay pages. This, if I clicked on this, would show us all our content pages. We want to create a new page, so we come down here to the bottom and we click on the little plus sign. That then brings us to a box that asks us whether we want to create a new essay page or a new content page. We want to create a new content page, and I'm going to call this one about page tutorial. Click on page, click on create, and there we go. So now we have the beginnings of our about page. At this point, for my about page, I'm going to insert a picture that my good friend Roger Barone took of me in the studio. Roger Barone is a superb photographer. Please visit his website if you would like to see some of his work, especially if you are interested in the Rolling Stones, as he has some amazing pictures of the Rolling Stones in concert going back to the 70s. Anyhow, let's get back here. It tells us right here that we can either type, paste the URL, or click to insert media. And since I'm inserting a picture, I'm just going to click on it. We've got these options here to insert a picture from the library, a video, insert a slideshow, or upload a video and embed it, which is what I'm going to do. So I click on the fourth box over here, and we get this box that says to drag your image here. I've already had my image in a folder. I already had it open. I'm going to just drag it to the box. Koken then takes it and puts it here so we can see it, make sure it's the right picture. Click on insert and it will insert the picture. It tells you the picture's there, but you can't see it unless you click on the name here, do a single click, and the picture shows up. Picture looks nice, a little deceiving. I'll show you why later. Again, after we've done the picture insertion, it comes up with another box where we can start typing, and at this time I'm going to type in about me. At this point, I want to use some more of Koken's built-in editing, and double click on it and come down to where I can bold it. Matter of fact, let's bold the whole thing. But I also want to change the header. Let's give it a header of, let's say 3 here. You know what? Let's give it a heading of 2. There we go, a little bit bigger. We can now hit enter and start typing some more of our page. So at this point, I'm going to pause the video so I can type. So I'm putting you on hold. All right, I'm done with inserting the information that I want to put in there about me. And at this point, I got my nice little page, and then we're just going to update the site. Tells me the about page has been updated. If we go to the site, at this point we don't see it, and that's because we need to add the link. So click on add link, scroll down to the to find our page, and there it is. Add our link, click on None, and it will now come up with our About page. All right, About page is pretty good. Problem though, when we were looking at the picture, remember I said there was a problem that would become evident later on. For some reason, it does not center. So we need to do a quick HTML insert in order to make this center properly. To do that, it's very easy. Just go back to text. We're down here. Come down to these little two greater than, less than arrow signs, which is the edit HTML, and click on it. And what I want to do at this point, I just want everything to be centered. So I'm going to hit the Enter key, type in the begin center code. Koken automatically puts in the ending code here. I don't want that, so I'm just going to back that out. I do want it down on the fourth line here. All right, misspelled a little bit there, but there we go. We got it, and we can now see that everything appears to be lined up. Let's update the site again. Go back to the site, and now we see that our picture is lined up. The About Me is lined up. Everything is now centered, and we're good. And that's it. You've created an About page using the Koken management system. Now the last thing that's left to do, now that your page is all done, is to publish the changes. Right now, you can only see your page in draft, and I can go anywhere in here and go to the home page, and there's the link for it. Click on it, go there, but it is not in the live site. So to get it in the live site, publish the changes. So we hit the publish the change button. It says the site has been successfully published. We can go to the live site and we see that it is there along with the link. Click on the link and there's our About page. All right, that's it. We'll see you next time.